Hi guys, Yaiza Melero here. Welcome to VdanceClub, and today we practice a body movement, okay? So different body movement. No, it's the same or basic. So go. Okay, guys, until now, we practice, okay, only body movement in basic movement, yes? So today, we practice a little sequence of different movements, yes? So it's the most similar to Yaiza style, yes? So here we go. Basic in 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and now go to the side basic, but we start in 8. 8, 2, 3, 4, and 6 and 7. Okay, in this 8, my shoulders rotate back, and this is the sensation, okay? Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, rotate my shoulders, and respirar, breathe, okay, breathe, and now 2 and 3, okay, look my other arm, go front, and now again the same movement, and the other hand go to the front, yes? So, very easy, basic 1, 2, 3, go 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 7. Okay, look, in 8, go up, and now go down, and go up, and go down. Yes? So 8, 2, 3, 4, and 6, 7, and my body look to diagonal, and look to the diagonal, yes? So basic, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. Now we go back in 1, change your wave, and go from 6, 7 to 3, 5, and 6, 7, only change your wave. Okay, repeat again from here. 4, 6, 7, go back, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 6 and 7, okay? Transfer your weight because it's very important, okay? So, with your movement, when you go back in 1, okay, remember this exercise, remember this movement, go in and go out, yes? You help with your hands and with your arms, so when you go up or go in with your chest, go back with your arms. So 1, 2, and 3, relax your body. Yes, so go in and now relax your body. Yes, look, when you go in, your shoulders go front, and now only when you relax your chest or open your chest, your shoulders finish the movement. Yes, so 1, and 2, and 3. See? So, with my step, when you go back, you go in, and now you relax your body at the same time that you step on 2 and 3. Yes? So, 1, relax, 2, 3, and now again, and 5. Now only transfer your weight in 6 and 7. And 7, go front, or go forward, with your arms, okay, at the same time that your chest go in. Yes? So again, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and 7, okay? Be careful in 6, 7, because 1, 2, 3, in 6, 7, don't change. 5, only in my on spot, yes? 6, 7. So from here, only in 1, 2, 3 movement. Look my position of my feet. So in 1, 2, 3, only move your hips, go forward and go back. At the same time, your chest open and close. Okay, open and close. So from here, go in 1 and 2 and 3. Yes, again, in 1 and 2 and 3. Again, 1, 2, and 3. Yes, from the top, basic, and 1, 2, 3. Go, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4. 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Yes, to the side, basic, and 1, 2, 3. Go, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4. 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Yes? From 1, 2, 3, stay here. In 5, yes? 1, 2, 3. Okay, we finish with your chest go out and your weight in your right leg. So in 5, go to the left. 5, and your hands, look the movement. Only go forward, yes? And transfer your weight. So in 5, open, relax your left arm. So 5. In 6, tap your knee. And 7, plie. Yes, look. So 5, 6, and 7, plie. Yes, again. So 5, 6, and 7. 5 and 6 and 7. And 5 and 6 and 7. Again, 5 and 6 and 7. Okay, when you go up, your leg, your knee, okay? So go up, stretch your foot, please. No this, yes? So again, from here, 1, 2, 3, 5, okay? Don't open more. 5, 6, 7, and now turn to the left, okay? So 1, 2, 3. Okay? No, the time is 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Only 8 and 1. Yes? So 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Okay? You arrive. Yes? It's very fast. So when you turn, you stay here. Okay? Relax your left. Relax and slide. Yes? And then transfer your weight. In ballet or in clásico, this position is tombé. Yes? So with your shoulders, okay, with your shoulder, your left shoulder, when you turn, okay, you go back with your shoulders. Boom. And your chest open. Boom. And then tombé. Yes? So from here, 5, 6, 7, remember? And now rotate and tombé. Yes? So in time, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and now double movement with your right shoulder in 2, 3. Yes? So with your step, 2, 3, tap and step, okay? Tap and step. And now with your shoulders, pack, double. Yes? So in number 2 and 3, in 5, jump, 5, and together your feet. In 6, 7, go to the basic. Back and open to the left, sorry, and then go to the basic. Yes? So from here, 2, 3, 5, and 6. Relax your arms. And 7. And basic 1, 2, and 3. Yes? So from here, in 5, tap and plie. 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, and 5, 6, and 7. Okay? You help with your back plie and then up. Yes? So from the top, yes, basic, and 1, 2, 3, go, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, relax, 6, 7, back, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 5, and 6, and 7, basic, 2, 3, 6, 7, to the side, and then with music. Basic. 1, 2, 3. Go. 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4. 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4. 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3. 5, 6, and 7. 1, 2, and 3. Yes? So now let's do with the music and move your body. Yes? So let's go.
Llevar por la gente que ahora suele decir que lo siente. Nos dejamos llevar por el miedo de vivir juntos aún siendo abuelos. Nos dejamos llevar por la prisa y olvidamos aquella sonrisa. Cuando todo era lindo y con ganas y funcionaba el amor en la cama.
Yes. Okay, guys, perfect. Okay, remember, this is a different movement. Okay, the most similar to Yaiza style. So practice them and then see you in the next class. Bye.